You know who it is, everybody. I'm back once again with another hair tutorial. Today I'm showing you how you can achieve a seamless no leave out look on any curly V part wig. I know it's cute, right?
Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
Now, you have definitely seen me do this method before in my clip-in video, which I'll have linked in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. But I just wanted to try and see how it would look on a V-part wig. This wig is from Nadula. It is 150% density. This is their Jerry curl. I think it is super duper cute. I love this curl. I think it's a fairly good match to my texture, but even if it's not, this method will make it super easy to make it look natural. Alright, so first up, let's take a look at what came along with the wig. So with this wig, they sent me 2 nude wig caps. And these wig caps are super thin, so they're great if you ever want to do a bald cap. They also sent this nice champagne colored satin robe that says Nadula on the front and the back. They sent this elastic band. And finally, they sent this satin bag, which is perfect for storing your wig in. And getting into our tutorial, here is my braid pattern. As you can see, I have 2 cornrows in the middle. That's where my part is gonna be. I have 2 braids on the side and then 2 braids in the back. The reason I did the 2 braids on the side versus just braiding it all together is because, you know, you might want to switch up your part, and this just makes it easier to access that hair in the front. Now normally I would take these 4 large plaits and just pin them back, but because I can't find my hairpins, I'm just gonna take a wig cap and stuff them in there. And as I said, this wig cap is very thin and breathable. And of course I don't want the cap to be on the front because I want that part to be exposed. So here's how the wig looks. Again, this is the Jerry curl. As you can see, it is a V part. You can definitely wear this without leave out or with very minimal leave out. But we're gonna do something a little different with the crochet hook. Around this part, we have 4 clips. One thing I love about this wig is that it also has 2 clips on the side, which is normally where I would have to put like a hairpin or something. No need for that here. We have a band in the back, and then we also have another comb in the back. Alright, so we're going to put the wig on, starting from the back with that comb and bringing it forward. And we're going to clip these 4 clips right around our part, but not on the cornrows. You want to leave these cornrows exposed. So there will be a little bit of the clip in the back of those cornrows because I did put them so far back. But then I'm going to clip right beside the cornrows. And we're gonna make sure our side combs are in. And now for the magic. All we're gonna do here is crochet some of this hair at the top up under these cornrows. So I'm inserting my hook and pulling that hair up under the cornrow. Just a few strands at a time. You really just need just enough to cover this cornrow. And as you can see, the hair is kind of sprouting up, but we'll fix that later. So I'm just going to continue with this crochet all the way back. And here's how we're looking. Now at the temples, I'm going to pull a few pieces of hair just under my hair there. And this is going to kind of bring the wig forward, kind of lock it in on the side, so if the wind blows, you're still good, it's still looking natural. And as you can see, just one strand can make a huge difference. So I'm just going to do a couple over here on the side. Just do it wherever you see fit. And here you can see how much of a difference that makes. Next, we're gonna detangle. So I am combing out the curls. This is not only to detangle the hair, but to kind of break up the curls and make it look more natural. Next, I am taking a curling iron, and this is where we're gonna get rid of some of that bump. I feel like I did one side better than I did the other. But you just want to make sure you do a good job of just pressing that hair down in the right direction. Just right at the root, because you don't want to flatten out your curls too much, but you want to get that part nice and flat. So just applying a little heat to both sides. And there it's nice and flat around that part. All right, so at this point, I'm going to wet the hair a little. Now normally I would probably just use some kind of oil and then apply a mousse to this hair, because I don't have any of that because I moved and I don't know where any of my things are. I'm using what I can find. So I have this product that I was sent from this company, and I'm using their leave-in, which is made especially for curls. And let me tell you, this stuff smells so good. It smells so good. But I'm using their leave-in conditioner and applying that to the hair first. Next, I'm adding this gel. Again, this also smells delicious. I'm gonna have to do a separate video of me doing my natural hair with this stuff, but love the smell. And here's our final look. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, make sure you leave it in the description box below. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss my next video. Until then, peace.